Hello and welcome and thank you so much for staying with CNN News 18. I'm Griha Atul. Let's now begin with the headlines at the top of 3 p.m. In fact, we're cutting across to the Lok Sabha where Union Minister Piyush Goyal is about to speak.
कौन बोला है? अरविंदर सिंह? नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला। अरविंद सिंह जी वारिस। अमरिंदर सिंह जी।
आप आगे पढ़ते चलिए सर, पढ़ते चलिए।
श्री गुरदीप सिंह ओजोला, हिबी ईडन, आप सुनिए सही। दीन कुरियाकोस जी, प्रशांत परोले जी, किरण कुमार रेड्डी जी, एस वेंकटरमन जी, मणिकम टैगोर जी, ये सभी माननीय सदस्य सभापटल पर नारेबाजी और पेपर फाड़ कर फेंक रहे थे, इसलिए मैं इन सब को नेमिंग कर रहा हूँ। श्री किरण रिजिजू जी।
I beg to move that this House having taken a serious note of the misconduct of Sri Manikam Tagore, Sri Amrinder Singh Raja Waring, Sri Gurjit Singh Aulia, Sri Hebi Eden Prashant, Padole, Sri Dean Karyakos, S. Venkatesh and Kiran Reddy in utter disregard to the House and the authority of the chair through reaching to the table of Secretary General and other officers in the well of the House and throwing papers on the chair and having been named by the chair, resolved that the above mentioned members may be suspended from the services of the House for the remainder of the session under Rule 3742.
प्रश्न यह है कि श्री किरेन रिजिजू द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहे, जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के विपक्ष में वो ना कहे। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ। प्लीज बी सीटेड, प्लीज बी सीटेड। नो सभा की कार्रवाई बुधवार दिनांक 4 फरवरी 2026 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
So Lok Sabha has been in fact adjourned till tomorrow at 11 a.m. That's where it's going to be reconvening, 4th of February, 11 a.m. Right now, the drama that continued in the Lok Sabha, many of the Congress MPs who now stand suspended, the names of which were in fact read out by Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, and they now have been suspended for disrupting the proceedings of the House. There were some papers that were hurled very close to the speaker. All of that disruption was registered. They tried to come to the same place, not just the well of the House, very close to the Lok Sabha speaker. Even as the speaker was there, they tried to block the speaker's view after they climbed onto the table. This is the version that's coming in from the Treasury benches from Kiren Rijiju particularly. He ended up naming very many of those MPs, also saying that all the people who have been named along with 3 or 4 others now stand suspended. All of this as Rahul Gandhi was trying to address the House. He was going on to ramp up his attack against the government, particularly against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, talking about how the trade deal was negotiated and come to terms with under a lot of pressure, and how Prime Minister Modi was arm twisted. That was a charge that was coming in from Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. And amid that, there was this ruckus that was reported in the Lok Sabha. And even as the Lok Sabha reconvened just shortly after about 3, in 2 to 3 minutes, it stood adjourned for the day. So tomorrow is when the Lok Sabha will be reconvened at 11 a.m. in the morning. And before that, this kind of disruption is what was reported out of the lower house of the parliament. All of this while Rahul Gandhi was trying to target the government on the US-India trade deal. My colleague Pallavi Ghosh with all the details on all the drama and action that emerged out of the Lok Sabha. Pallavi.
That's right. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has just walked out of Lok Sabha accompanied by all the other Congress members of parliament. And I'm waiting to see whether Rahul Gandhi, in fact, is going to be speaking. I don't know if you're going to get a glimpse of it, but just right behind me is Rahul Gandhi, and he's walked out with all the Congress MPs. Well, the allegation against them, according to the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Kiren Rijiju, is that they violated the norms of the procedure, and the rules do not allow you to reach the bell of the House. They do not even allow you to, kind of be on the table and raise slogans, and that's the reason why this action has been taken against.
So far, reactions that will begin coming in from the Congress party over this suspension decision that has been just about taken right before the Lok Sabha was adjourned. Pallavi there with all the details. She has mentioned about how Rahul Gandhi has just exited the Lok Sabha. We also have now Payal joining us on the broadcast. Payal, amid high drama, suspension announcements for very many of the opposition MPs.
Yes, many opposition MPs from the Congress party have been suspended for trying to throw papers at the chair. In fact, some of them were seen from the galleries that they try to climb onto the table which is right in front of the Lok Sabha speaker, and they try to intimidate the chair and try to come in front of the chair. Mr. Tenetti from the TDP was sitting on the chair at that point in time, and Mr. Raja Amrinder Waring, who actually, in fact, even responded from the sitting on his chair when he said that, what is the problem if somebody is calling you yaar? Because remember earlier, K.C. Venugopal in a flow called the chairman saying that, why don't you do this yaar? So, the chairman took great objection to it, saying, what is the meaning of yaar? But Yadav Waring sitting in his place called him yaar as well. So all these people who've been trying to climb onto the chair stand suspended for the rest of the session, which is of course till the 13th as well. So big action coming in after what we witnessed today in the parliament. You saw members on in the well, especially from the Congress party, and you saw them throwing papers at the chair. So much so that even after the suspension was announced, and the chairman and the chair sitting over there said that we're going to suspend. We've suspended all these members, and the chair even went on to say that we're adjourning the house. Even then, papers are flung at the chair.
Right, absolutely. We will see if we have Pallavi also with us, in fact, Payal. But if you can, in fact, sum up the proceedings of the House before it was finally adjourned for the day. We do understand that Rahul Gandhi was sticking to this entire Narvane attack against using the excerpts from his unpublished book to further attack the Prime Minister, the Defence Minister, in fact, talk about national security. That also saw a lot of disruption. Then he went on talking about the India-US trade deal, even going to the extent of saying that Prime Minister is compromised.
Yes, that he has said outside the House, but while he was speaking within the House, he said that he did not need anybody's permission and he just had to be requested, to which Kiren Rijiju took a lot of offense. He said that the ultimate authority in the House is the chair, and the chair needs to give permission. And Kiren went on to say that all of us take permission from the chair when we speak. So that is one argument which really happened, to which K.C. Venugopal kept on getting up and speaking. So the chair repeatedly said, we are asking Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, to speak. Why are you speaking in his place? So, to some context over there, K.C. Venugopal went on to say, why don't you do this yaar? The chairman got very angry and he said, what do you mean by yaar? I'm not your yaar. I'm sitting on the chair. I'm sitting on the position that really needs to be respected as well. So then the House was really suspended. And the moment the House was suspended, members flung papers at the chair. They tore paper and flung it at the chair. There you can see on a screen Mr. Tenetti trying to, get up from the chair after removing his mic, and he saw papers being flung. But more importantly, the table office, which actually sits right before the speaker's chair, they were intimidated because members tried to climb onto the chair and climb onto that table. Not one member, two members, but 6 to 7 members.
Okay.
All of these members who have been named by the chair and who are now suspended stood there on the table and tried to intimidate that and tried to block the view of the chairman who was sitting on the chair.
All right.